everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. I post like college-y lifestyle videos. Today's video is going to be a little like get unready with me, so it's mostly just going to be focused on my skincare routine, but then I'm also going to include kind of like how I style. Not how I style. I don't style my hair. How I take care of my hair. And I'm mostly just going to be like kind of talking through, showing you guys how I use the products, except for my hair products, because I did that and I filmed this video like maybe, I don't know, like 8 months ago, and I include videos of me washing my hair and I got some weird ass comments, so I'm not going to do that again. But I will just kind of show you guys, explain what I use, why I use it, how's it working for me, all that kind of good stuff. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into my skincare, hair care, get unready with me video. So the first thing that I do is just remove my makeup, and I usually don't wear a lot of makeup. It's like concealer, powder, bronzer, a little bit of mascara, maybe some eyeshadow, but like that's about it. So I just use this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I've used this quite, like I had one of the big bottles, maybe even like 2 or 3 of them. Ran out, never bought more. I kind of suspected that it broke me out like last year, and so I switched to the Neutrogena makeup wipes. That worked really well for me, but lately I've just been using the Clean and Clear makeup remover, and that's worked too. So I just kind of like switched between a bunch of different stuff, but my skin just doesn't really break out anymore like it used to. So I feel like I just kind of like outgrew that period. I still have some breakouts. I have one here, I have some on like my cheeks, my jaw, but I think that was just because I was eating a lot of sugar like the last week, and that tends to rake me out. So I'm not like as concerned about what I use and put on my face anymore as I used to be, just because again, like my face just doesn't break out like it used to anymore. So yeah, I just have a little cotton round and I just spread or squeeze some stuff on here, and yeah, just circular motions. Pretty straightforward and basic. Alright, so I'm done with this, and I do love it because it gets like pretty much everything off super easy. It like feels really nice and cool and refreshing. Yeah, it's just a good product. I would definitely recommend it. So that's literally all I do before I shower, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. Actually, first I'll show you guys like what shampoos I use in the shower. Alright, so right now I'm currently using Pantene shampoos. This one is a classic clean, which I love, especially if I like do 3-day hair or something like that. Just feel like it cleans my hair really well. And then this is the Damage Detox Scalp, which I love because it has like mint in it, I think. Yeah, it's a mimosa mint, so it just like feels really good on my scalp, and I have very like dry skin and dandruff. Sorry, I know it's so gross, but like I feel like it just helps me with that. I'm not loyal to any brand, to any specific type of shampoo. I typically get whatever is on sale, or if it's something that I've heard about, I'll order it. But I like Pantene, I like Aveeno. I like these two, the OGX, but they're kind of a little bit more expensive, so I don't typically splurge on those. As you guys will see throughout this routine, I keep it extremely simplistic. I'm not super, yeah, like loyal or have to have this or have to have that. I just kind of mix it up and it works for me well. Some things I'll notice work for me like really well, but then I feel as though my hair kind of gets used to it and it just kind of like stops working, and so that's when I switch it up. And I just kind of, yeah, bounce back and forth. The conditioner though that I'm using right now, I love. I also have the shampoo, but I ran out of that. This is the Aveeno Pure Renewal Conditioner. I think I got this when my hair was not chopped, maybe like 6 months ago, because my hair was just like really grimy and gross, and I was like, okay, this is a pure renewal, like it won't really get in there and like clean stuff. And it did eventually. Like my hair is pretty nice right now. I don't know if that's just because like it's so fresh. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys what I use in the shower on my face as well. I'm not one to like do my skincare routine out here. It's just like weird for me when I'm already in there, because I shower every night, and so it just makes sense to kind of combine it all and wash my face in the shower, exfoliate, etc. So these are the 2 exfoliators that I use. This one more recently I've been using. First Day Beauty sent this one to me, and so I've been using it and I love it. It's the Ultra Repair Body Scrub, and it's safe for sensitive skin, which I have very sensitive skin. and then it's like pink grapefruit, and it smells really good. It just feels really good. Yeah, I love this, and I also use it like on my body, my legs, like before I shave, kind of stuff like that. This exfoliator is specific to like your face. It's from Origins. It's a Modern Friction. I really like this one as well. It smells like Fruit Loops, but it's very expensive. I think it's like $45 or something, but I love Origins products, so sometimes I'll splurge and I'll buy the anti-renewal like face wash. I think that's my absolute favorite, but again, it's like $40 a bottle, and broke college student just like can't really afford that. So I just try to use small amounts, make things last, or just like buy some cheaper drugstore stuff. All right, so I'm gonna shower. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and apply my moisturizer. I typically use the oil-free facial moisturizer for sensitive skin. This is the Target knockoff brand of the Neutrogena version. I love the Neutrogena version as well, but this is like $2 cheaper, and they literally have the exact same ingredients. I will say though, this one like feels a little bit differently on my skin than the Neutrogena, but it still works for me. And then this other one is also from Origins. It's the High Potency Nightamines. Clever. It's basically just a mineral enriched renewal cream, and it's a lot thicker, so I tend to use this in the winter time. I also really like this one from Origins. It's the Drink Up Intensive. Sadly, I ran out of it, but it's like really good for when it's colder outside. My skin just really takes a toll in the cold weather, and it's like 35, maybe even 30 degrees outside, so it's like pretty cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one just because my skin feels pretty dry. Sometimes I will mix the two just to kind of like save my Origins one, because again, they're so expensive. It just feels so good though, and like it's really just like soaking into your skin and moisturizing, so I definitely do love that one. So I usually leave my hair up in that for like 5 to 10 minutes. That wasn't 5 or 10, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna take it down a little bit sooner. I just do that because my hair is so thick and it takes so long to dry. And so I feel like if I leave it up longer, the towel just absorbs more of the moisture. So yeah, I just kind of finger comb it out, and then sometimes I'll go ahead and like just kind of scrunch it back up, because my hair does dry fairly like wavy naturally. And so I feel like that just kind of helps it like along its drying time. I like cannot talk at all today. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I do have 2 colics. I have one here and I have one here. So in the mornings, if my hair dries real crazy, I'll go ahead and like straighten like the top layer so that it looks like straight here, but like I still have some natural wave down here. It usually turns out pretty well. I don't ever like blow dry it. Try not to straighten it just because it's so damaging, and I feel like I don't really need to. And when I do straighten it, I lose a lot of like the softness to my hair, so I just like to keep it natural, easy, simple, like as much as possible. But yeah, it's been drying really nicely with this new length, and it's finally like, I don't know, like kind of calmed down. Like my ends aren't like so flary and crazy. And I also feel like it's grown just a little bit, and like I really like this length. So yeah, I'm just kind of getting a feel for my new hair. Also, I get a lot of questions about if this is my natural hair color, and it is. I've never ever dyed my hair. Don't really plan on dyeing my hair either. I like my natural hair color and I like my naturalness. I just like natural. Also, I get questions about if I spray tan or use a self tanner, and I don't do either of those. I just got back from Florida, and so I have a slightly like darker complexion. It's actually currently all like shedding off of me. It's disgusting. Yeah, I've never gotten a spray tan. The self tanner that I'll occasionally use, again, not very often, I usually just put it like on my chest. I don't like to put stuff on my face, so this is like literally the only place that I put it. But I like to use the Jergens Natural Glow. I really have only used this before like high school dances, like a week before, to look more tan. But yeah, I just kind of like naturally have a darker complexion. In the wintertime though, I do get pretty pale, but overall I would say I'm on the darker side, I guess. It's genes and genetics and all that fun stuff. So alright, so that was my skincare, hair care, get unready with me video. Don't really know what to call this video, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's got a little inside look of how I take care of my skin and my hair. I'm a pretty basic gal. I don't use a lot of fancy stuff, don't do a lot of fancy stuff, but you guys have been like really asking for this video, especially my hair care, since I recently chopped off my hair, so I thought that it would be fun to go ahead and do an updated version. So camera's about to die. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, comment down below your favorite color. No, just kidding. Comment down below like what your favorite part of your skin or hair care routine, like what do you like doing at night when you're getting unready. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!